Hey guys, Jacob again here from MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida. And on today's nice, beautiful, cold and windy day, I want to show you our newest Key Largo consignment listing. This one is a 2017 model 2486 WI edition. Paired on the back of this boat, it has a Evinrude E-Tech 200 HO outboard horsepower motor. As you can see, it also does have the extended back platform. This is great for whenever you're out, entertainment for kids to be able to jump off of, as well as if you're a diver. This is a great diving platform to be able to get in and out of the water easily and safely, as well as your walk-through door right here, which we're about to hop into and get up on the boat so I can show you some more. All right, now that we are up on the boat, just wanted to point out a couple of features. On the aft section, they do have a flip down seating if you needed to have extra customers or family members ride with you. We do have a live well as well as a smaller bait well to the side, leaning post with a backrest, rocket rod launching compartments as well, Garmin electronics, Hummingbird, VHF radio, stereo system, storage compartment, massive sunshade. The sunshade is actually bigger than most traditional soft T-tops. Has a lot of shade offering for the aft section as well as the forward. That was one of Key Largo's main concerns and ideal points when they were designing this T-top. They wanted to have the maximum coverage of shade. Let's move to the front now. And the final part of the boat, we are up here at the front, and as you can see, it has a lot of wraparound seating. This is that dual entertainment purpose that I was telling you about with the offshore features of this boat. Has great wraparound seating, but when you're out offshore and you need the days for longer fishing, take out these pads and you have a front casting platform. There is a filler option to extend the platform a little bit bigger. Have a great seat right here in the front of the center console. It's great open layout for a boat. If you need any more information, give me a call. My name is Jacob Wright. Phone number is 850-819-9106. Thank you guys.